Hello everyone, this is Film Gamer X here, and I have three packages. Three packages today. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I've kind of lost count because I've been ordering stuff like you wouldn't believe. So yeah, I've forgotten what they are, but it's a mystery. But yeah, let's we'll start off with this one. Oh yeah, I've been buying a bunch of comics and stuff, and all that good jazz from eBay, and yeah, just trying to slowly build up my collection. Uh, uh, Trying to get this open here without revealing any addresses. All that. Okay, let's see. So it is. Oh, let's show everyone else first. Well, I mean, I'll be able to kind of see it, but it is yes, Walking Dead number 99. And yes, this is, I want to say this was, I want to say this was the first appearance of Dwight. Pretty sure. But yes, uh, I'm starting off small here, so to speak, with trying to get every issue of The Walking Dead. And yes, even number one. But yeah, Walking Dead number 99. Yeah, I believe this was, I want to say this was a first printing. But yeah, looks awesome. Uh, can't wait to, excuse me, can't wait to add it to my collection. And yeah, it looks like they put a lot of, extra boards. They had like, let's see, like one, two, three, four, five extra boards on top of the one in here. Hey, I, I absolutely cannot complain. So happy to have this. Um, yeah. Now we will go with this one. This one I have. Oh, trying to be careful. And yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh, I, I, I'm gonna be honest. I really did forget what I had ordered with this. Wait, which one's this? Okay, yeah, this is. I'll just show you. I, this one was just a random purchase, not like some big Marvel or something, or some Walking Dead or whatever. But I thought that it looked nice. Cover was appealing, and yeah, you'll see. It's a let's see. It says it's a variant of only 162 made. Here, let me get this unraveled here. Oh, let's see. A little backboard there. Kind of got a little tore up on that, but oh yeah, let me see it. Yep, right here. It is a title called Bad Girl Apocalypse. And this is number 10 out of 162. Yeah, yeah. I mean, who doesn't want to see that? Seemed pretty cool. It says it's the shiny princess variant. And yeah, I think it looks pretty darn cool. And let's get to the last one for today. There's plenty of stuff, coming in the mail for me this week, so can't wait to show it off. And then, yeah, I just ordered some more stuff today. I'm always ordering stuff when I can, and today was one of those days that blessed me to be able to order some stuff. So yeah. Uh, let's see. This one is what's this one? Ah, yeah, this one I was waiting for. This one I saw on eBay, and I just thought to myself, the moment I saw the cover, I'm like, this looks nice. This looks pretty damn cool. This was, I don't think there was a little thing in it, but this was, uh, darn, what is this one? Hold on, let me go check my. Ah, yeah, right here. This is a signed. Uh, oh, actually, here, wait, I could just tell you on the back here, because I'm real stupid. Uh, uh, yeah, it's a Marvel Comics Gwen Stacy #1 Virgin Series exclusive, signed by J. Scott Campbell. And yeah, that looks very nice. Very nice. I like the little Spider Man on the butterflies and stuff, and Gunnarsson, Green Goblin, maybe? Something. But yeah, and then right there's the certificate of authenticity. Very happy with this one. This is very nice, and then it's even got I guess a special seal sticker that says Campbell, jscottcampbell.com. So I'm assuming, because I've only been to a few comic book sites and on Instagram and Facebook and stuff. I guess he has a website. I did not know that, but now after after I'm done making this video, I'm gonna be checking it out. I mean, this looks really nice. Nice signature, nice flow to it, great cover. Yeah, very freaking awesome. Uh, but yeah, uh, yeah. Let's that one and then recap. Bad Girl Apocalypse, Shiny Princess variant, 10 out of 162. That's pretty darn cool, if you ask me. And then, of course, Walking Dead #99, which, which, uh, which, we all know what comes next with Walking Dead 100. Uh, but yeah, yeah, I would love to get these these ones signed by Robert Kirkman or like the actor or whoever who has their first appearance or whatever have you. I'm pretty sure this is the first appearance of Dwight. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this was Dwight's first appearance. And if not Dwight's first appearance, then it's the death of someone. I don't know. So awesome. So happy to have this. Oh, oh. But yeah, these three awesome books showed up today, and I absolutely couldn't be happier. So yeah, I'm gonna go put them right over with my other small yet growing comic book collection. And yeah, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you like my content, and yeah, I'll be back with more in the coming days. Tomorrow, the next day, I got a bunch of stuff coming, so stay tuned. All right, have a good one.